Introducing Quick-Change Power Pack from Kaivac, offering cordless capabilities across all of Kaivac's cleaning systems. Go Anywhere capability improves productivity while eliminating the hassle of cord management. Now you can clean anywhere, anytime with the cordless, reliable power of a lithium-ion power pack. The innovative quick-change design allows you to share batteries across all battery-enabled Kaivac systems. Quickly change from OmniFlex floor care systems to no-touch cleaning operations with the unique slide-in design. And if you run out of power, the quick-change platform gets you back to work in a snap. Or add multiple power packs and increase productivity and cleaning range. And Kaivac's wall-mounted charging system options provides clutter-free, convenient battery charging in a centralized location. These advanced lithium-ion power packs feature overcharge protection, automatic shutdown, intelligent charging, and other features to maximize charging and battery life. The Quick Charge Power Pack is perfect for daytime cleaning in a school setting, large venues like airports, stadiums, and industrial facilities, older buildings with limited access to electrical outlets, and route cleaners looking for maximum flexibility in their cleaning applications. So cut the cord and amp up your cleaning program with Kaivac's multi-system Quick Change Power Pack.